Hey, Steve here with Cardiac Cycling. It's time for another video. We're going to show you today how to switch your shift levers. Stay tuned. For this project, you're going to need a couple of things. One is a internet connected computer, and two is the battery charger for your Di2, and three, you're going to need a bicycle that is Di2 equipped. This one, we're going to use my wife's bike. So here's the issue. You can see these shift levers are different sizes. So for her, mentally, when she feels this large lever, she thinks it should go to the larger gears. The thinner lever, she feels because it's smaller, should go to the smaller gears. So that's exactly what we did on her bike, and I'll show you how we did that. So the first thing we have to do is we need to hook up the battery charger to the bike. So here you can see we have it connected to the junction box and to the laptop. Next, we're going to open eTube Project. Now you could do this on a desktop computer if you want to carry your bike inside. I'm not allowed to do that. When this thing powers up, first we're going to select the bicycle that we're working on, which is a road bike. Next, you can see, checking to make sure we have the most current version, and in fact they have made some changes, so we just got that taken care of. Next, we want to check our connection. Click connection check. It's recognizing everything. Charging was stopped because eTube Project has been started, and that's what we want to see. That's okay. We are not charging. We're going to do some programming. Connect the bicycle and click next. Well, we're already connected, so we're going to do the touch screen, click next. Now it's going to recognize the unit. We'll see a green line appear. There we go. And now it has recognized all these parts. Once all the parts have been recognized, we're going to come down here and we're going to select complete. And now we're ready to start the customization process. So we click customize. And what we want to do is we want to switch the settings of the shifters. You can see now we're looking at the left-hand shifter, and we're going to change to left hand, we're going to change the right hand. We want to change this one to down and this one to up. Then we go to the other side. You can see we've changed the diagram here. We're going to change this one to up and this one to down. And then we click set. And now we click complete setup. And then file, exit. It's important to do this. File, exit. If you just shut it down, your battery could self-drain. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, because that makes it easier for other people to find it. The more likes a video has, the higher it goes in the listing of the search engines. Hey, stay safe, be well. Hope to see you sometime out on the road, either on your bike or in your RV, or maybe like us, you'll be doing both. Again, thanks for watching. If you enjoy what you see on this channel, please click the subscribe button.